is Rajaya Limho. Today we will playing the guessing animal. I have 4 clues to you guessing me. 1. I like it grass. 2. I have a pair horse. 3. I have a short tail. 4. I have sound like this. Meh, meh. What animal am I? Correct, I am a goat. Bye, see you next time.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Eliya Permata Rizky. You can call me Eliya. You get 4 clues and you're gonna guess one from animal. The question is, who am I? I am a lovely animal. I have 4 legs. I have long ears. I like to eat carrot. Who am I? Good job! I am a rabbit. Thank you so much for watching. See you!
Hi everyone! Introduce, my name is Nasywa Nabila, PGSD Studi Program. Do you know these animals? Come join me in guessing what animal it is. 1. It is big. 2. It is 4 legs. 4 legs. 3. It eats grass. 4. It runs fast. Do you know what animal is mentioned above? Yes, it is a horse.
Hello guys, let's play with me. Can you guess what animal is this? I have 4 clues. 4 clues. Number 1, it has 4 legs. 4 legs. Number 2, it has a short fur. Short fur. Number 3, it is look like a mouse. Look like a mouse. Number 4, it is so cute and adorable. What am I? Yeah, that's right. This is hamster. Yay! Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri Veronika. I have a clue about this animal. First, it has sharp canine teeth. Second, it has a long tongue. Third, it has 4 legs. 4, it has sharp nails. The answer is dog. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Back again with me, Slashtisyifa Dien Saujanna. Before that, welcome to my quiz. What is it? Pet category. Listen and look at the clues. Guess what animal it is before time runs out. Are you ready for the clues? Okay, let's start. What am I? 1. It has 2 legs. 2. It has very long neck. 3. It has white feathers. 4. It has the ability to swim. 5. People like to keep me as pet. Guess what I am? Let's calculate together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's right. Swan. Good for now. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It hope it is over again. Assalamualaikum.
Hello guys, my name is Nita Oviana. From animal, 30 tugas what animal is the his. It has from legged. It is walking very slow. It is has I sleep. It is living into running.